Hello and welcome to Start of Such classes. Today we are going to solve some questions based on English language. As we know that English is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and people are likely to have to maximum marks in that portion. To hike your marks in that portion, you need to read newspaper daily, you need to hike your vocab, and you need to clear all your grammatical concepts also. So let's get into the problem. Read each sentence to find out whether there is any grammatical error in it. The error, if any, will be in one of the part of sentence. The numbers of the part is the answer. If there is no error, the answer is option 5. So let's see the first one. Coaches have the advantage of draw on their personal experiences and providing their players with unique inputs on no error. So use drawing in place of draw. There is a error in the portion 2, therefore we can say that portion 2 is our answer. Error in it, and the error is draw, as it must be drawing in that place. Now let's check the next one. The actor loves to think, never enjoys stick to one kind of role, and find it difficult to fulfill everyone's expectation. Now there is an error in the portion 2. We have to add to before stick. Here an infinitive is required. Okay. Now let's see the next one. A major computer security firm asked the social networking site to set up an early warning system after hundreds of users were hit by a newly wave of virus attack. The error is in the third portion. Now we have to use had been in place of were. In place of were, as past perfect tense is required in the second part of the sentence. Now let's see the next question. The finding may help doctors to give more personalized care to patients and to modify the amount of powerful drugs administered over their patients. So there is an error in the fourth portion. We have to use the to in place of over. As administer something to somebody is used. Okay. Now the last question is, the actress made a rare appearance at the party and was overthinking in her next big project. So in this sentence, there is an error in the third portion, and we have to use about in place of in. So we have solved all the questions, and that's all for today. If you want to join our classes, then feel free to contact us. These are the contact numbers of ours: 9836793076 or 9874822756. And for further details, you can also check our website, which is www.sorosesclasses.com. Thank you very much.